Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are breaking down a quick and simple comparison between Base44 and Emergent. So let's jump in. Now here's the deal. Base44 is a platform that feels instantly beginner friendly. The dashboard is super clean and you can drag and drop components, connect AI models, and deploy prototypes in just minutes. It even handles hosting for you automatically, which is a huge plus. The only downside, it can get pricey once you start scaling or using advanced features, but for beginners, creators, and small teams, Base 44 is fast, smooth, and really intuitive. Now, Emergent AI. For Emergent AI, now this is actually more advanced. It's still low code, but it gives you way more control over automation, logic flows, and integrations. It's perfect if you already have some technical experience. You can build anything from chatbots to full analytics dashboards, and its automation engine makes connecting real world data super easy. The interface takes a bit more time to learn, but once you get the hang of it, it's extremely powerful. Plus, its pricing is a bit more flexible compared to Base 44. So which one is actually better? Well, I would say Base 44 wins for beginners and speed, while Emergent wins for flexibility and deeper customization. That's it. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.